We made it! We made it!
Trees, vineyard trellises for grapes, and grass area. The redwood trees were planted for a natural windbreak for this area. You will see the beginnings of what will become a beautiful landscape to our future plans for this farm. The small lake to the far right of the festival grounds, as well as the larger lake you just rode by. We want our farm to be a tradition for not just you and your children, but your children's children as well. These trees grow big and tall. It will change the landscape and bring so much more to the beauty of this land. Just look at the changes and how the trees have grown in the last few years. Ghost Town is now coming up on your left.
Look at the train.
Some very historic buildings from the mining town of Jackson, California. They say spirits come out at night. To your right is a panoramic...
Stay together.
Okay.
Go this way.
Está pesada, ¿ah? Yari, ponte acá para el picture.
Oh.
We look forward to hosting wine tasting events along with other winery partners in the... Thank you for riding with us today on the Dell'Osso Hayride. And have a safe and enjoyable rest of your day at the park. We hope you enjoy your time at our farm today and make lasting memories, bringing you back for years to come as an annual tradition. And interesting facts about the farm.
Ya te quemaste, Chillani.